Today, we're tackling a common household problem that can be quite a nuisance: a washing machine that smells like mildew. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple and effective solutions. First, let's understand why this happens. The smell of mildew usually comes from dampness and lack of ventilation, which creates a perfect environment for mold and bacteria to grow. This is especially common in front-loading washing machines. Did you realize that a significant portion of liquid detergent is actually derived from animal fat? Indeed, it's true. What's more, not all of this animal fat is completely rinsed out of the machine. In fact, a substantial amount accumulates in the inner washer tub, leading to bacterial growth and resulting in that unpleasant odor. So it's best not to use liquid detergent at all. At the end of this video I will tell you the secret to never pay for detergent again: have softer, cleaner clothes, and a clean-smelling washer, so stick around. Now, let's get into the steps to eliminate this unpleasant smell. Step 1. Make a cleaning solution with 1/4 cup baking soda and 1/4 cup water mixed together. Pour the solution in the detergent dispenser. Step 2. Pour 2 cups distilled white vinegar into the empty washer tub. Step 3. Run the empty washer on a regular wash cycle with warm, hot water. Step 4. Once the cycle completes, wipe down the washer's interior to remove the vinegar smell. Pay special attention to the rubber seals in the detergent drawer. Step 5. With a damp cloth, wipe away any grime from the exterior of the door gasket. Step 6. After every wash, leave the door of the washing machine slightly open to allow air circulation and prevent dampness. Step 7. Stop using liquid detergent. In fact, I'm gonna tell you how to never pay for washing detergent again. There's a new revolutionary, double-patented technology that allows you to wash your clothes without using a single drop of toxic chemical detergent. It will save you from buying chemical laundry detergents. It cleans just as well as the laundry detergents, and it lasts a lifetime with a 50-year manufacturer's warranty. No more worries about toxic chemicals. Spare yourself and your family from inhaling toxic scents by protecting your body from contact with the chemicals lurking in your clothes. So what is it, you ask? It's called the magnetic laundry system. The detergent companies would like to have you believe that it's the chemicals in water that clean your laundry. However, this is actually not true. We normally don't think about it. It's actually water that cleans your clothes. Water is the most powerful element on Earth. What did people clean with before soap even existed? Water. Detergent alone won't clean your clothes. You need to add water. Because what detergents and soap does is it only changes the surface tension of the water and helps the water molecules become more effective and spaced out and slippery to pull the dirt and grime off dirty clothes. This is why soap and detergent has that slippery, oily feel. This process is called chemical saponification. The side effects are, of course, all the toxic chemicals used in the process. So what the magnetic laundry system does is the exact same thing, except by using magnetism. The water molecule is already a highly magnetic molecule with a positive and negative charge. When the water rotates with the specially designed magnets, the surface tension of the water changes, and the water starts cleaning more effectively, just like with detergent. You get the cleaning power of detergent, without detergent. All you do is put the 2 magnetic balls into your washer machine, on opposite sides of each other, and you're done. You can start washing detergent free. So if you want to learn more about it or even order it now, there is a link in the video description. Go ahead and check out the link to learn more and stop paying for liquid detergent. I hope you have learned how to get the smell out of your washer and how to keep your washer smelling clean. Thank you for watching and have a great smell-free day.